Alright guys, we're here with the brother. He's rocking the S4 finally. And we're gonna go log his APR tune, yay, right? So we're gonna see what it's all about. Hey, not hating on APR, we're gonna really see what it's about so I can show you guys before and afters. So you put me to the test, and I've come here in person to put it down. So see you in a sec. Go. Oh, that's crazy. Guys, that is APR's TCU tune. What the F? I can't even believe it hung there. It just didn't even
won't
move.
do anything. Yeah, I have to shift out of it. Manual shift. It's sport mode. That was sport mode.
Okay, so you guys saw what was going down. APR, big dogs. Now we're gonna go BDT, because you guys think APR has zero issues, but right there, prime example. Let's see if we can fix that. The big dog's ready for this stage one. You ready for that 4,000K launch?
I need some BDT sauce in my life.
All right, so we're loading the file up right now. It's gonna take forever. All right, guys, so the videos to come, we are about to launch it with my TCU tune, my ECU tune, and we also got him a little bit of a driver select here, so he's able to select what mode he wants, but get ready for this, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Holy shit! And you guys said there was no difference between APR and BDT. Proof!
That's fucking insane, dude.
I know. We burned all 4 tires. Yes, there's a little rain, but
holy shit.
Yeah.
Hands down, the fastest this thing has ever gone, and probably when we get that dual pulley, it's gonna ruin everything.
Well, we gave the brother a good surprise, so I'm glad that worked out. You see that, guys? The limiter didn't stick.
Yeah,
weird.
It shifted.
I don't know. APR, you're doing great. But
I got a DSG training and it didn't shift. I was like, what the fuck?
And I did set his RPM to 7,200 RPM, so he has everything full blast right now. So
amazing.
Well, there you guys go. That is what I get to do. I get to tune my family's car. Like, that is just so weird to me, but awesome. They get to see what I do. And he's loving it. We got to make sure he doesn't get any tickets, so he's a clean record. That's a rare one. So, on that, guys, thank you for watching my lame little videos, but enjoy.